Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery and service door. Removal. Disconnect the hard disk drive adapter cable from its connector on the system board. Loosen the 4 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the hard disk drive assembly to the base enclosure. Grasp the black Mylar tab on the hard disk drive assembly and lift the hard disk drive assembly out of the hard disk drive bay. Place the hard disk drive assembly in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the hard disk drive assembly from the static dissipative bag. Place the hard disk drive assembly into the hard disk drive bay. Tighten the 4 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the hard disk drive assembly to the base enclosure. Connect the hard disk drive adapter cable into its connector on the system board.